Hey there, fellow gardener. Today, we're diving into one of the easiest and most rewarding crops you can grow in your backyard, garlic. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just getting started, garlic is a must-have in your garden. Stick around to the end because we'll also reveal two incredible benefits of garlic that go beyond the kitchen. All right, let's start with the basics. Growing garlic. First things first, you'll want to get your hands on some quality garlic bulbs. Skip the grocery store varieties. Those have probably been treated to prevent sprouting. Head to your local garden center or order some online instead. Step 1. Break apart your garlic bulb into individual cloves. But don't peel them. These little guys are your garlic seeds. Each clove will grow into a full bulb, which means one bulb can give you 6 to 10 new garlic bulbs. Talk about a good return on investment. Next up, planting time. Garlic loves well-drained soil and lots of sun. Plant each clove pointy end up, about 2 inches deep and 6 inches apart. Give them space to stretch out and do their thing. The best time to plant garlic is in the fall, about 4 to 6 weeks before the ground freezes. The cloves will chill out all winter and pop up in the spring. Fast forward to spring, and you'll see green shoots starting to emerge. Keep the soil moist, but not soggy. A little mulch can help keep weeds down and the soil just right. By midsummer, your garlic will be ready to harvest when the lower leaves start turning brown. Pull them up, let them cure in a dry, shaded spot for a couple of weeks, and boom, you've got yourself a fresh garlic harvest. Now that you've got your garlic, let's talk about its benefits. First up, garlic is a powerhouse in the kitchen. It's not just about the flavor. Garlic is packed with antioxidants and can help boost your immune system. So the next time you feel a cold coming on, reach for the garlic. But garlic isn't just for eating. Did you know it's also a natural pest repellent? Yup, garlic can keep mosquitoes, aphids, and even vampires at bay. Just kidding, or am I? A simple garlic spray can be used in your garden to protect your plants from pests. And some folks even use it indoors to keep bugs away. Talk about a versatile plant. And there you have it. Growing garlic is easy, and the benefits are amazing. Whether you're looking to spice up your meals or protect your plants, garlic's got you covered. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want more gardening tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.